Hello everyone, how are you doing? How was your week? ተመልካቾች እንዴት ናችሁ? ደህና ናችሁ ወይ? ሳምንታችሁ እንዴት ነበረ? ዛሬ ደግሞ በጣም የሚገራርሙ ተማሪዎችን ነው ይዤ የመጣሁት። ከነሱ መሃል እንግዲህ አንዷ ተማሪ ደግሞ በቃሏ የምትነግራችሁ ነገር አለ። መጀመሪያ እስኪ ስሟን ልጠይቃትና ከዛም በኋላ ወደ ምትነግረን ነገር አብረን እናልፋለን። Okay, what is your name?
My name is Edom.
Edom Mikro. Okay, Edom, what grade are you?
I'm grade 5.
Oh, you're grade 5. Where do you live?
I live in Bishoftu.
You live in Bishoftu. That is good. Okay, today I think you're gonna tell us about personal hygiene, yeah?
Yes.
ስለ ግል ንጽህና እንግዲህ በቃልሽ ልትነግሪኝ ነው በእንግሊዘኛ አይደለም? Okay, እስኪ ጀምሪ. Start. What is personal hygiene?
Personal hygiene is how we take care of our body or personal cleanliness. Good personal hygiene involves keeping all parts of the external body clean and healthy. It is important for maintaining both physical and mental health. Six major personal hygiene categories are identified and discussed here. One of them is dental hygiene. We need to brush our teeth regularly to remove bacteria and plaque that cause toothache and gum disease. It is recommended that everybody brush their teeth twice a day, in the morning and before going to bed at night. The second one is body hygiene, and it is also called shower hygiene. We have to wash our body regularly to avoid sweat and dirt on our body. The third and the fourth are hand hygiene and toilet, which are related. Hand hygiene is a simple and effective way to prevent. The fifth one is toilet hygiene. We have to flush our toilet before and after use. After using toilet, we should wash our hands with water and soap. The sixth one is sickness hygiene, which is caring for others who also be part of our life. This includes covering our mouth and the nose when sneezing, wiping down shared surfaces.
Wonderful! All of you please clap your hands for it. Yeah. እንግዲህ ይሄ ቪዲዮ ከተመቻችሁ
Like, subscribe, share.
ማድረጋችሁን እንዳረሱ። እንግዲህ ይሄን ስታደርጉ ደግሞ ዩቲዩብ ለብዙ ሰዎች ያደርስልናል። በጣም ብዙ ነገርን ለተማሪዎቻችን ለልጆቻችን የሚጠቅሙ ነገሮችን ለቃለን። ባይ ባይ።